ALEC stock analysis and price predictions. Is that a buy? Watch this short 1-minute video till the end, find out. Trying to be kind of not nice, and first thing that I'm gonna say is that this is melting. It is absolutely being cooked upon. Alector, Aldo 14% off for the day. Look at the broader picture. This is where a lot of people just get lost. And even if I come here, ALEC, let's come. Yeah, no receipts in the Discord, which is fine. Not a problem. You have a supply zone, unless I see breaks with real candle closes on the weekly chart above $2, which just has to go 100% up, right? That I'm not looking to take things up. It's not that far away, but at the same time it is. But yeah, in the nearest future, I genuinely believe that the most likely thing that's about to happen is with just delivering new all-time lows. Again, that's just my 2 cents. Not financial advice, and if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.